Tâm Nhi, your Asia Spotlight artist.
There are many factors and people influencing me when I began pursue the singing career. However, the person who has been the most important is ông Cao Thắng, my boyfriend and my manager. Me, absolutely. My boyfriend doesn't know how to cook. I still remember when we shoot the cooking program together, my boyfriend fried an egg without oil. It turned out totally terrible. I'm usually the one who make the plans, but in work, my boyfriend does the plans for me and the whole company. Both I and my boyfriend treat each other very nicely, and we usually choose to be silent and say everything in peace. I talk a lot in many conversations when my boyfriend is less word and is always a good listener. In the relationship, I am the one who actively take care of my boyfriend, but he has another way to show his love. He likes to do it silently and through my friends.